Yeah. Okay. Okay. What we can do is, if that is happening, we can definitely give you some remote laptop once this is sorted. Yeah. At least we can then deploy there and you can run there. Hmm. Okay. 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 Hmm. 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 Yeah. Hmm. It doesn't become this. Yeah. Hmm. 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 So that's what.
ऑलवेज सगळं
Hmm.
केलंय. मिक्स करून घेतलं तुला
Hmm.
तर
Hmm. Hmm. Okay.
लाव झाली का नेक्स्ट
Hmm. Hmm.
प्लेस वगैरे हा ती म्हणली बाजार गेली हा
Yeah, I'm muted, Disha. Good. Hmm. What is partnership assessment? Okay, what? Okay, fit. You can put fitness score or something of that instead of partnership. Hmm. 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 Okay. 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 Hmm. 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 Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So see, basically, it is like, so basically, you okay? You just go MSME 1, 2, 3 finance, right? Okay. We need to go, because also you need to see. I have just given you the names, right? So whether we need, you check with, firstly you have done with 10, right? You just do ahead with 10. Are we getting the 10 correct or not? Out of 10, if all are not correct, how many are correct with your code? Okay. Let's say that you are out of 10, you got 7. Okay, then in that 7 you are able to detect the websites correctly and the data correctly, correct? Okay, then you do it for next 50, because suppose you're doing for 9,000 will not make any sense, because this is like, whenever we build systems, especially not the SaaS kind of applications, you need to incrementally test the system. If it is SaaS, whatever might be the system, it's a structured input, structured output. You can run it once. If it is tested for 10 samples, you can run for 10,000 samples at a go. But in an incremental system where like this, you should be firstly doing 10, 100 or 50, 100, 200, 500, 1,000. Then see how the accuracy is. And you can write, like, suppose if you are saying that this particular system is there, then you can directly check with any social media channels whether that particular channel is there or not. So at least that is where. And one more improvement would be, I would need it, like, suppose especially areas, right, area of focus. Are there any keywords, regions of operations, or if there are branches, where are they focused? Focus area, at least state level would be fine. Suppose if there is an NBFC which is focused on only one particular state, if you can get that, is also good enough to select from the states. Like suppose I wanted to lend in, I wanted to come up in Pune and give out a housing loan, then I need to understand who is the easiest person to go ahead, so that I can start mentioning. Suppose if I wanted to aggressively go in Indore and give out education loan, that I need to use this database to understand whom should I next reach out, who are the operational people in education loan for this segment. So not in a depth level, at least I need to get at least 50% or 40% accuracy in a prior go, so that I'll not repeat my effort of work. Suppose today I wanted education loan, tomorrow I wanted some other loan, business loans, then I need not repeat my process in figuring out. So this should be a 1 point at least initial level check, instead of I need not go every time check Google and it just gives us random data. That's the intention. Okay, do the execution in that way. If you want a system, we have already the Amazon EC2. I can give you one system there, launch it, I give you the access, do whatever you want there. If your system is troubling, dump your LLM there, I'll give you 4 GB or 5 GB, whatever RAM it is. You can RAM with 8 GB RAM also, whatever it is, to see if it is feasible. If it is needed, let me know, then I will be able to host a system and give it to you. Okay, because I am also playing in one of this what do you call, open clan playing there. You can also, if you want this or you want DigitalOcean, whatever fits, you can dump it there and test it. If you take one mission, it's fine, right? We can pay for that one mission, yeah. And there you can test it, and you can use terminal to deploy and then connect through that particular system and then run whatever you are running locally there. So see how you can run that way. So if you can think that that is the fastest way to test the system. And so basically what I feel is, like, if after doing 1050, right, give it to the people. If you give it to the people who are using, if it is beneficial, then you can back and iterate, the deploy iterate. That's the best way to do the models today. Okay, go ahead and by, like, today is Tuesday. By Thursday, at least see that you are into the iteration stage of at least 200, 50, 100, 200. So see if you can do that. If you are at least crossing 50% to 60%, whatever it is, it reduce the hallucination. At least whatever you are giving should not be from the Uh, sh- do validate that information, that hallucination should be reduced. Even if you get 50, the score should be very stricter, that your hallucination is low. So or else you run another agent, whatever the keywords are wrapping in that particular system, so that your score improves. Do another wrapper kind of, which will search that whether, like you say, that particular this system, I just wanted to check this Bajaj Finance gives this loan or not. If you are checking that it's a gold loan, you are saying that Manapuram is a gold loan company, okay, and you have marked it as gold, okay, and then you ask the system another way, like you are doing a testing, you are a tester to that system. Ask that I wanted to take a personal loan. Can I reach out to Manapuram? That kind of prompt you build and validate your data from your system again. There's two systems. One will be running bringing the data. Other system validates the data which you're bringing again through public insights. If this breaks or this breaks, if there is a mismatch score behind less than 50 or 40, 60, you put it out to your database where you can just understand what is going wrong, what is going right. That way it is easy for you to validate. Instead, this is how suppose you can do till 50, but if you wanted to test 500, you cannot do one on one, right? Again. So that's why you need to build a system which will validate in any of the model building. That is the best way you can reduce the hallucination. At least you will understand if both parties are making hallucination, that is highly impossible. But if one party is making hallucination and another party is not hallucinating, you can take a manual call there. That's the best approach. That's where you can scale the things. Try to deploy that and then try to run on that locally, and then see how much is accuracy, or else build some small agent which will call that. You can in that case, right? So out of 500, if you are doing 50 samples, you'll only do roughly 10 on testing, not 50, right? And then see if 10 is at least validating 9 of 10, whatever you have done manually is validating with the system you have created. Just get that information passed out to OpenAI or whatever it is. APIs you can use. We can see how much you got. So we can build or we can again do this. What's the other best way, cheapest way we need to do, and then make the systems. Okay, then we are fine. Let's meet again with you on Thursday, and then see. Yeah, yeah, nice. It was nice that you shared. But I mean, we need to see what all the informations you are pulling from this, and what all the keywords. You told right, you are scrapping all, and you are reducing it to 12,000 characters. So on what basis you are reducing that characters, and are you trimming the unwanted data or right data? How are you deciding the data? You also send me a summary of how that is happening. That is, hmm. Okay. Yeah, you can show it. Yeah. Hmm. 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 Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Understood. You basically scrapping that and putting it into a text, and then saying that I wanted it in this format, where it will find out the information from that context, and then summarizing the transcript into a required database. Got it. Yeah, works. Yeah, works. We can see. And there is also one database. Once I give you a machine, you can try. Once this is done, once we are deploying one machine, one automation in this space, what I'll say is like we can try with another kind of LLM like DeepSeek, or so things would be same. In which LLM you run is a different. Like you can run it in Mistral and Olama is one thing, Mistral is one thing, and DeepSeek is another LLM. So we can try in that mission. Now you can just try this, and then if the accuracy is working there, if you get a 8 GB machine there and try to and then run it from the locally, you write the code, run it there, kind of thing which we can see. Or else we can create a machine there itself and where you can run straight away everything there. Yeah, that way we can see once you are this one is right. What you can do in this, right? Instead of needing a domain, host it down in Vercel. Oh, you cannot host it on Vercel, I guess. Okay. what we can do is you cannot host it on Vercel, but you can host you need a machine to be deployed. Okay, once you are ready, then let me know with at least 200 in the 200. If we are crossing around 100, at least 100 then we can deploy that, and then start see how the things are there. Yeah, send me the once you're done. Send me what is the deployment mechanism and what are the requirements you wanted to deploy, where you wanted to deploy. I can give you the access in the AWS because we are all sure. Yeah, works. Good work. We'll meet again on with updated full fledged. We need to be ready, and then we need to go back with our MSME automation because I told you the way we wanted to go. There are other parties where I was trying to see how they're working. They're using Udyam registration number through Udyam API and figuring out what is the person's information, and then they're giving some information. So we can go there. I'll not clump them here. Let's close this out at least to 50-60%, and then come back to there and then build a comprehensive fintech applications, fintech bots, which we can add in our systems. And then, yeah, I can. That's a differentiation we can bring in our system. There's no fintech having AI based AI such. Then with low cost, we can add it in our system. Free of cost. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Let's work together and make this faster. Yeah, sure. Yeah, Disha. Yeah, hi, Disha. Yeah, there.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. How are
Yes.
you?
So, I have sent you the video of the website, but could you
Mm.
want to take a look again?
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. One second. Did you made any changes or is it like that only in the website?
No, I actually didn't make any changes, but I want to make a lot of changes.
Okay.
Like, I have to add an admin panel so the advisor or admin can see it.
Mm-hmm.
Because yeah, the forms are that you have told me to submit the maybe so the some advisor or other another team will contact the customer, right? So
Mm-hmm.
I wanted them to look who had filled the form, so I have to make that like I have completely I know what to do, just I didn't implement it. So
Okay.
the site is like this.
Okay.
Now for apply now, this is the form.
Okay.
Actually I just did I just did a pop-up window for right now because there are not enough data.
Okay.
Like when your definite the data is more, then we can shift it to another section directly.
Mm-hmm.
So I have only created 6 forms that I have sent you, like the
Okay.
2 you have given me and the 4 I have shown. So I have,
Okay.
and the photos are changed. So if you want to change other another photos, I can try with different photos as well.
Yeah, this is okay. This looks cool. Again,
And
this right again. Okay, one second. Can you just go up again? You have this is MSME. So basically, we are trying to say we are repeating here. Just go up. Just drag it up. So here you are saying we whom we serve, who we serve. Okay, just come down now. Who we serve. You have written all this, right? Okay,
yeah,
come down. MSME, rural entrepreneurs, loan and financial services, comprehensive. Okay, come down. Okay, okay. Small businesses. Okay, this is again mixing here. In the MSME loans, Mudra loans, loan and financial services, government backed Mudra scheme for migrant. Okay, corporate lending
but
solution.
actually I wanted to remove this section because I think it was too much of a data. But
Correct.
I thought maybe
No, yeah, that's what I'm saying because we have duplicated effort there. So same thing which you have done upper and bottom. Whom we serve again loan financial service
okay,
look like duplicated. Just
oh,
go down.
wait a minute. Yeah, and this there is an
What you can do is there, right? There itself,
huh,
who we serve in the bottom of the who we serve, just add
okay,
these points, right? Why do we need duplication? Just go up, just go. No, no,
huh,
go up. So here you have MSME, right? Then
huh,
here only you can add that, right? Whatever you are trying to do there. MSME,
okay,
entrepreneur, small business, self-employed. So you can add
okay,
the here only there.
Okay. So I'll just remove the loan and financial services part,
Hmm.
and
Yeah.
I'll just click on the links above, and this is the scheme and financing programs. So yeah, I was getting confused here as well because I have done this according to like according to data or other website I have seen. So
Hmm.
I wanted here like view schemes. It will give the data and schemes, but I actually wanted to think like schemes. There are scheme, but you didn't decide on which type of schemes to put in here, right? So I
Hmm.
just moved this to directly to three categories of mudra loans and this. So this
Hmm.
is in the same page as well. And when same for MSME growth and same for EV financing. Maybe EV financing has a form. Yeah,
Hmm.
just I have to change the name. There are small mistakes, so I have to clear out that. I actually need to. And the NBFC partner financing, I also added. I think the button is not working.
Hmm.
I'll look into it.
Okay.
And then connect or as advisor. Advisor forms are same where you can see connect with our dealer or advisor. This form will show.
Okay.
And yeah, this is the data. The
Then we
when you pick up
duplicated
the
this as well, I guess. You have
huh?
duplicated this three category of mudra loans. Just go up. Did you put it this same thing? Just or this is the first one?
No, this was the first one. Like we have click and
Okay.
it auto scrolls down there.
Okay. One more thing is right. Home screen should not be this much.
Okay, okay. I'll just change this data into about section. I think
You
maybe
put it into separate, right? So
yes,
suppose if I'm saying that in the loan products we have the government schemes, right? So
yeah.
home screen should be that key pointing that will help you in getting EV, MSME loans and all loans. We directly do kind of lend, and sometimes we directly lend basing on your eligibility criteria, or else we will be able to help you to get the right lender. That should be our
Okay,
photo, which should be shown up in the first screen,
okay,
and these
yeah,
are into the separate decks. So you open any of the right. So this is very lengthy. So home
okay.
page should be like separate. Collateral free quick process.
Well,
Content is good. I'm not denying content is not,
uh,
but content should be located in the right places. That's it. How to
okay, I'll just change it. I was actually thinking about this, but when there was some glitch here, so I just have remain.
मुझे
So
कुछ फ़र्क ही
maybe
नहीं
I'll
पड़ता
just
भाई,
try
चाहे
again.
किसी को
It will go there. There's another
वीडियोस
eligibility
जाके
form and
देख सकते हो।
advisor
तभी
form.
उन्होंने
So
एक
basically
स्टोरी
you should
डाली हुई
not
थी
gather
जिसको
here.
उन्होंने कुछ ही
Collect
देर में
is
डिलीट कर दिया
one
हुआ
thing.
था।
So
उसमें
just
उन्होंने क्या
recheck
कहा हुआ
the
है आप खुद देख सकते हो।
content as
भाई क्या
well,
हाल है?
and then
Okay,
लाइव आता हूँ,
segregate it.
कलेश हो जाते हैं
okay,
मेरे भाई लोग।
Just go down. Yeah, go down again. MSME growth program details, business
yeah,
sales, business vintage, annual
के
turnover,
चाहते नहीं है तो
available loan type, working capital.
नो कलेश,
Yeah,
ठीक है,
so
नो
that's
कलेश।
what. Yeah, go down again.
बस अपनी कुछ बात रखना है जो मेरे को लगता है ज़रूरी है और रखनी चाहिए, तो रख
Application
रहा हूँ।
process.
ठीक है, पहली बात यह है कि
Okay, go down.
भाई मेरे को कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता। मैं तुम्हें सच बताऊं
Yes,
तो
go
अगर
down.
मैंने उस दिन हिट ह्यूमन की लाइव स्ट्रीम में मुझे लगा भाई बंदा सिंगल आउट हो रहा
yeah.
है, गलत हो
Actually,
रहा
I
है इसके
have to
साथ, तो
remove
मैंने
this
सपोर्ट
part
लिया
or
भाई,
the
फुल पावर
above
सपोर्ट
parts.
लिया।
I
अगर मैं
was
उस दिन वही
thinking
नहीं
which
करता ना
part
तो मुझे कुछ
was
फ़र्क ही नहीं
good to
पड़ता भाई,
remove.
चाहे किसी को
I
शाउट आउट
actually
दो
want
तुम,
to
चाहे किसी
ask
के साथ कोलैब
maybe
करो
how
या ना करो।
Mitram works and the
मैं दिल
part
अपना बंद
here
ही रखता, मैं
application
कैलकुलेटेड
process.
ही
There
रहता
are,
और
there
मैं
are
ऐसे ही रहता।
actually
मैंने आई
similar
ओपन माई
lot.
हार्ट,
They are actually
तो
similar.
Document
मैंने
verification
बोला
and
और
BFC
मैंने फिर
partner
शायद
review
ज़्यादा
of
बोल
fraudulent
दिया,
approvals.
उसका मेरे
Yeah,
को
this is correct, but you can
लोग
use
कह रहे हैं कि भाई
next one because
तुमने ये
that is
बोला
slightly good one
नेगेटिव,
rather
पर
than
ये
this
कोई नहीं कह
plain
रहा कि
one.
भाई तुमने
Like
सपोर्ट भी तो
how
लिया सबसे पहले,
Yeah,
जब
this
किसी ने
one,
नहीं
yeah.
लिया।
yeah. Second,
तो
this
बस
one
भाई इतना ही है,
will be good. At least it
बाकी
is
देख
colored and
बाकी सब पर
something.
आपकी
There
क्या
is
राय है
bit
नीचे
of
कमेंट में
plain,
जरूर
right? So
बताना।
this is
साथ ही
fine.
अभी आपको पता होगा कि एमी ने उनकी लाइव स्ट्रीम
But
में रागा
this
को
one
लेकर
you
भी
change
बात
it.
की हुई थी, तो
Phygital
अभी
support
रागा और एमी
everywhere.
एक
So
दूसरे को
where
इंस्टाग्राम
you
पे फॉलो
suppose
भी
if
करने
there is a
लगे हुए हैं।
phygital
अगली
we
जो
are
न्यूज़ है
saying,
वो आ
right?
रही
We
है
need to have
हार्डबोर्न
one
की तरफ से।
person.
हार्डबोर्न ने अभी कुछ
So
दिनों
one
पहले
person has a
हासिल के
stream
आगे
now. Later we can give you some photos, but right now you can put 2% like agent kind of sitting with the person. So find out
Okay,
that kind of people. So it will resonate what we are speaking. So recheck what exactly is the image place. Is it
okay,
in line with the thing which is being associated there? Okay.
okay.
Why choose Mitram 360 hardware regulated partners? Okay. Minimal document. Yeah, these all should be in main page. All the other in between should be into the sub pages.
Okay, I'll just change their location to about and just remove them from main page.
Yeah, again when you save a trust, okay, this is fine. These photos are fine. Yeah. Yeah, that we can put it. Yeah, 6.5. Yeah, this kind of thing is fine. Our trusted partners. So this we can reach in trusted partners, banking partners. We can definitely change on this government schemes. Yeah, names is fine. Anytime we can change that. Yeah, all partners. Yeah, just type the leadership. Yeah, I'll change, give you the photos. Okay.
Yeah,
The,
photo ID review. And there are two forms that you have
please do
given.
that. I'm just thinking, should we put it here or somewhere up? Or if it is low, it is fine. But if it is bottom, no one will be able to see, right? So we need to see.
Actually, I was thinking that, but I have asked ChatGPT and look into some other website. But the users like who are getting loan should not see this, or I have to create another section. I actually want to remove the AI assistant section because I have a sidebar like
Hmm,
helping, right? So
hmm,
maybe I can put these inquiry forms in AI assistant part, like
hmm, hmm,
and different page for those two forms.
hmm.
But there will be only two forms, so I have to add another little data down there. Why choose Mitram to invest in? Why like that?
Yeah, yeah,
That
work. Yeah, that is also fine. So just rethink and redesign this, and probably we need to rush this interior Figma very faster. So can we do it by tomorrow same time or?
Yeah, I can completely change the website like you have given me the changes. I can do that, and I'll add the admin page as well.
Hmm.
Yeah, those three parts can be done by tomorrow evening.
Okay. Then that's fine. If it is so, basically, I'll be giving another guy who will be deploying it into the. So he will be just assisting in like whether this is RBI kind of because they have worked in multiple NBFCs. So we need to see if there are any missing pieces which we need to add for making it RBI compliant. So we can add it, but it looks good. So just make that out quicker, and then I'll be review each and every part. I'll also review once that is because I also have access here, and then we'll sit together again tomorrow and then see by tomorrow just make sure that you have realigned everything, and then
Okay,
at least by this time we can, because you have some time around 3 4 hours tomorrow as well, right?
okay.
So just realign them and then see how we can. Here if you have the login, right, you need to also have sign up, right, or else it should be
No,
buttons.
there is a sign up part down there. Like I have designed this part. Maybe seen some other like which website I have seen. I don't
Yeah,
remember,
it's
but
good, but so basically it is bit of confusing, right? So if you
okay,
could only log in, right, just see like in this way, login and the sign up should be kind of crossing. So if you don't have space, you can use login upper by sign up somewhere or something of
okay,
would like selection kind of login and sign up.
okay. I'll do that as well.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, it looks okay. It seems far better from the where we started,
yeah,
and we can improve more, I guess.
yeah.
I think photos you also collected wonderfully. That it is cool. We can improve a lot. That's what I mean to say. Just rethink and realign first, and then build the things. Yeah, this is what this one is fine. I think you got what exactly I wanted.
Okay.
Then we'll go to the other segment. Hope anything more questions in the website. What we wanted in the empowering, it should be empowering real Bharat instead of Bharat. Put real Bharat.
Okay,
Yeah.
empowering. Okay,
Page
okay.
60 in the bottom side. Instead of empowering Bharat, you put empowering real Bharat.
Mm, okay, where was it?
To the left top, to the left top,
Okay, okay, I got it.
empowering Bharat, empowering real Bharat. Okay,
Okay, okay,
that way it is cool, and then we'll be able to see this one.
okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
I'll
it's
just
cool.
do the
Yeah,
changes
yeah.
to it. And the others are about section. I actually wanted this part as well. What can I do with this? Like I just talk
That's good.
this.
That's what I'm saying, right? So you figure out this, right? So whatever you have put in, right?
Huh.
Just in the loan product, so you have the government MSME schemes, you put it. Okay, MSME
Okay,
scheme. Then you need not MSME schemes, you put it. Then you put business loans.
okay.
Then whatever you have put in, right?
Huh.
Consolidate into here, and you
Okay,
click there. It should point out to your here instead of in separate ways, not here. If you put
okay.
all here, it is going to be very clumsome and nothing will make any sense.
Actually, I have seen this pop up in 29 loans. So
Mm.
that pop ups when I click on that, they just open another page, and in that page there was information, and in the ending there was a form
Correct.
like login, register, and then apply. Yeah, so that I was thinking about that, but I was confused which kind of loan schemes I have put there.
So that's what. So basically, we have MSME schemes, H home loan,
Oh,
LAP,
okay,
business loan, working capital. So just segregate into business loans, home loan, vehicle
okay,
loan, EV loan.
okay,
Three
okay,
parts into, and then three plus one is government schemes. In that you
okay,
demonstrate each and everything. One is
okay,
MSME schemes where you demonstrate all MSMEs. Then is the business loans, all demonstrate all type of business loans. Then third one is home loan slash loan against property, home loan, all this whom we give and all the things, slab kind of. That is three. Fourth one is EV slash vehicle loan kind of.
okay.
Okay,
Yes. So
that
I'll
is
print that part, and this part will be done by tomorrow as well.
sorry. This pipeline will be.
This part can
Hmm.
be done by tomorrow as well.
Yeah,
Okay. I got the changes, and are there any more I
yeah.
have
This
to
is
change?
fine. Again, FAQ and knowledge hub seems to be both same. You
Okay.
can club this. FAQ would not be separate. Will not be a separate one rather than knowledge hub. And
Okay.
no more is also you're mixing no more FAQ knowledge hub. All three are same.
Okay. So
See,
just
remove
keep
knowledge hub.
FAQs or loan products. Like,
FAQs is fine. Loan pro see home about loan products is fine. FAQ knowledge hub AI assistant you can remove. No
okay.
more. What is coming in? No more. Click on that.
Yeah, I have asked in the start you're making a YouTube video or that. So maybe if I click on there is nothing there right now. If I click or like the user click on the no more, they will be directed to the page, and the in the top part the YouTube video will be there. So I was thinking about that, but you have told me the video will take time, and then that's why I haven't leave it as it is. If
Yeah,
you want it, I can remove it as well.
yeah, you can remove that. What is in the knowledge hub?
Knowledge of yeah, knowledge of like there are other knowledges like MSME loans eligibility in 2005.
It should be like a different name. It's not correct there. It is not syncing what we are coming up. We need to think
Okay, okay. I'll
because
just change this part as well. I'll maybe fix that part of viewing pitch deck or proposal PDF.
Hmm,
I'll just view those two PDFs, and then I'll ask ChatGPT what can we put there, and
hmm,
I'll just review it before I'll make changes with you, and then
hmm.
I'll put it.
Yeah, works. Yeah, these are the changes, and we come up with by tomorrow evening. Then we can.
Okay.
Here also, you did not change the photos. So this.
Yeah, actually, I mostly focused on main page, but I have the photos I have to change here. So there are only some photos that need to be changed. And
Okay.
some, I think all the except one. Uh,
Mm,
yeah, that this will be done as well.
okay. Then come up with by tomorrow, and then we can see how we can proceed further.
Okay.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, if this is done, let's go to the pitch deck you are mentioning, right?
So the pitch deck I have created in Figma, so I didn't actually implement the data in there. Sorry,
Okay.
Canva.
Okay.
I have sent it. I have sent that to Fuzia, so she can. She knows data better than me. Which kind of data
Yeah,
can be put in page?
actually, Fauzia is not going. They're not going to continue with us because of their academics or whatever it is.
I have.
Hmm.
You have told me. So I do have the template, but
Okay.
I don't know which type of data will I put the data, which like how which type of slides can be there, and like wait a minute,
Yeah,
just
I think we have the data. So basically, investor pitch deck is fine. We have the data here in our case, right? So I think we have the lot of
yeah.
data in place already. What we can do is investor pitch deck, investor company overview, mission.
I'll just show you the template again.
Yeah, I saw. I am just seeing that break time. Summarize why your solution is different. Market
Yeah.
opportunity, business
And
model, target
I have
customers.
changed some of the photos because there it was a finance pitch deck. I have picked it up and changed the design and some font and everything. So I just have to change few of the photos, not everything. I have changed some of them. So yeah.
Yeah, then in that case, right, this seems to be okay. What you can do is we have one more. We have the investor deck where the data is already there. So
Okay.
mission and vision. We can rewrite again, and it is already in our current website. But we can
Okay.
rewrite and rethink on that mission and their mission. The problem is there in that deck. So see if so. Okay, work on this, and
Okay.
we'll see. Work on the website now, and after that
Okay.
we'll see whether because we have the some base deck ready right there, we can
Okay.
use this one into there, and then we were also seeing the color theme match. The color
Okay.
theme match can also be happening here.
Okay.
So once you're done, I'll not push here and there. So you do that one, and then we'll
Okay.
come back here after that, probably
Okay.
after a couple of days once that is in place.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. Yeah. Then good. Any questions for both of you?
Uh,
You're on mute. You're on mute, Omkar, if you're speaking. Okay. Okay, you're speaking on call. Okay, fine then. Yeah, no worries. Okay, if you're not having any questions, then that's fine. Let's catch up with you, Disha, tomorrow. With you, Omkar, day after tomorrow. Be ready and be quick, and let's push it out. Yeah, sure. Nice. Have a nice day. Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.